Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 4, Lesson 4, notes. So go ahead and make sure you have your note sheets. Today we're going to be looking at dividing by a whole number. So we have a fraction, we're going to divide it. So first off, let's get it ready. So we're going to make our bracket. 42.3 divided by 9. Now, when it comes to a decimal, you just move the decimal up, okay? Super easy. And then you divide as normal. So 9 can't go into 4, but it can go into 42. 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to subtract that. I have to borrow to make that 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring down my 3. Well, I know 9 times 7 equals 63. So I'm subtract that, get 0. So 4.7. Okay, let's get our next one. 56.52 divided by 6. Now remember, we're moving our decimal right on up. 6 can't go into 5, but it can go into 56. Let's see, 9 times, because 9 times 6 is 54. I subtract that to get 2, bring down my 5. Well, I know 6 times 4 is 24. I subtract that, I get 1. I'm going to bring down my 12. 6 times 2 is 12. I subtract that and I get 0. So my answer is 9 and 42 hundredths. Great job. Let's practice some more. So here we have 13.8 divided by 4. Moving that decimal up. 4 goes into 13 3 times because 3 times 4 is 12. I'm subtracting that, I get 1. I'm going to bring down my 8. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 2. Now, here's where it gets a little bit different. We do not leave remainders when it comes to decimals. So we're going to add a 0 here and bring it down. 4 goes into 25. 5 times 4 is 20. And we have 0 left. Great job. All right, this is going to be a tricky one. 0.72 divided by 18. Moving my decimal up, put my 0 up there. 18 can't go into 7, but it can go into 72. Let's see. If I do 4, that would get me, well, I'm going to try some things. 18 times, let's say times 5. 40, carry the 4. That'd get me 90, too much. So let's times 4. 4 times 8 is 32, carry the 3. 4 times 1 is, all right, so 4. 4 times 8 is 32, carry that 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. There's my answer. Now remember, making sure you can't go into 7, so you're going into 72. There we go. All right, so there are 2 problems here. I want you to try both of them, pausing the video and then coming back and seeing if you got them correct. All right, so I have 43.26 divided by 3. Moving my decimal up. 3 goes into 4 one time. Gets me 1. Bring down my 3. 3 goes into 13 4 times. That gets me 12. Brings 1. Bring down the 2. We just said 4 goes into 12 times 3 is 12. I get 0. Bring down my 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times because 2, sorry about that. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract it and get 0. All right, let's look at this next one. 1.52 divided by 8. Bring in my decimal up. 8 can't go into 1, so it goes in there 0. But it can go into 15 just one time. So minus the 8. That gives me 7. Bring down my 2. Well, I know 9 times 8 is 72. Gives me 0. So my answer is 1900. Great job. All right, go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathway. I will see you back here for Unit 4, Lesson 5.